My name is Wade Smith, Superintendent for Walla Walla Public Schools, and this is the November Pulse. The month of November is an incredibly important time for all of us. It is during this month that we take time to honor those who have served on Veterans Day, celebrate Native American Heritage Month, and for many, spend time with family and loved ones over Thanksgiving break. This November is even more special as we find ourselves on the heels of two important decisions following the October 24th board meeting, where the Walla Walla Public Schools Board of Directors voted unanimously to submit two levies for the February 13th, 2024 special election. The first is the renewal of our long-standing Educational Programs and Operations Levy, commonly referred to as the Learning Levy. The renewal of the EP&O levy is not a new tax. It replaces the expiring levy approved in 2020 and requires voter reauthorization every 4 years. Its renewal maintains programs and offerings not funded by the state and has been approved consecutively at the ballot box for over half a century in Walla Walla. The Learning Levy makes up a significant percentage of the Walla Walla Public Schools budget and provides for the continuation of honors in AP classes, music, art, drama, school safety, technology, nursing, athletic programming, clubs, driver education, counseling, and support staff. Altogether, the levy funds over 110 teaching and support staff positions across the district. This renewal levy replaces the same rate approved by voters back in 2020 and remains capped at $2.50 per 1,000 of assessed property value, so it will not increase over the 4 years. Additionally, the board chose to place a short-term capital levy on the ballot that will be used to update outdoor spaces for athletics, activities, JROTC, physical education, marching band, and other outside programming, including community use. At the request of voters, these identified improvements were intentionally not included in the 2018 bond project in order to prioritize their efforts towards indoor learning spaces. As a result, students now have access to state-of-the-art science labs, music facilities, art classrooms, culinary, and more. And now that the bond measure has wrapped up, our board and advisory committee felt that now is the time to come full circle and complete this important work. In order to minimize impact to taxpayers, the district has identified grants and outside funding sources to help reduce costs, and the board chose to proceed with a lower cost levy recommendation that only addresses the most critical of outdoor projects. As a result, the capital levy rate is estimated to be no more than 38 cents per 1,000 of assessed property value and will automatically expire after 6 years. It will cost about $3 per month for every $100,000 of assessed value, or about $9 a month for a $300,000 assessed value home. This short-term capital levy will see the installation of an all-weather track at Pioneer Middle School for school and community use. It will repair the 43-year-old Garrison tennis courts and resurface a 20-year-old Garrison track. In addition, at Wahai, it will replace the some 60-year-old original tennis courts. Consistent with every other league school, it will install high-quality artificial turf playing surfaces and field lighting in order to maximize utilization, participation, and postseason play, both at the Clicker and Hainer Park fields on the main campus. At the Murr facility, it will see that lighting is installed on both the baseball and softball fields, so like every other school in our league, our students aren't forced to miss significant class time and can start games after school so families are better able to attend their athletes' events. Additionally, it will install elevated bleachers with ADA access at the Clicker track and field site for a multi-use facility for soccer, football, track and field, as well as provide adequate access to restrooms and changing rooms for high school athletes. And finally, the levy will see the construction of a JROTC Raider obstacle course for student, first responder, and community use. I encourage you to learn more about both of these levies at the district's website. All the best, and please remember to vote in the current upcoming general election. Thanks, and have an outstanding and safe November.